to my channel. It's me again, DashDoll19. So guys, before we're gonna start on anything, like, this jumper is everything. I've been looking for it and I was like, oh my god, they do Sailor Moon, and girl, here is Sailor Moon. It's so like warm and cozy, and why not that I have to get it. Alright guys, so for tutorial today, I'm gonna do my Lavender Glam tutorial. So as you can see that I'm wearing like a purple kind of ish color. So why not today I'm gonna go for full glam purple. So it's gonna be like cut crease, glitter, moment, shimmer, whatever you name it. I'm gonna do it today with you guys. And today I'm giving you like Ariana Grande, a ponytail with plus baby hair like. So I tried, but it's fun. So as for my eyes today, I will be using a Jacqueline Hill's Eyeshadow Palette X Morphe Volume 2 for today eyeshadow. Alright guys, so as for our first color, I'm gonna go for Therapy Sesh. So as for our second color, we're gonna go for Not My Journey. And then for the last color, I'm gonna go for Stay True. And after that, we're gonna go and do our cut crease. Alright guys, so as the cut crease is done, so now let's go apply some color onto it. So as for the color I'll be applying on my cut crease, I'll be using In It. And then you close your cut crease. And then the following step, I'm gonna use Chi Chi glitter eyeliner. If you don't know what it looks like, so here it is. Alright guys, so for this last step, editing on your eyes to make it look snatched and more of unique like. If you guys want it to stay as glitter on your eyes, it's perfectly fine, but I'm gonna add something very dramatic, I guess so. It's not like really dramatic, but it's a line dramatic. So if you can't wait to see what it's like, then right here, right now, I'm gonna show you what it is. So for this step, I'm gonna grab a face and body paint, a white color right here. So I'm gonna actually draw like a line on top of my crease to make it more of like seductive and good and snatch looking. So if you guys don't want to risk it, don't bother to do it, because I don't want to actually you ruin your look as well. So for this step, if you guys really want to do with me, so you gotta grab this fine eyeliner thin brush like this. So this one is for like you can use to draw eyeliner also, so if you guys know. And so now you gotta dip it into the white color, and then let's make the magic happen. Okay guys, so I am done. So we actually complete our hard work for this step. So if you guys actually made it through like me, so congrats. So now let's move on to the next step. Okay guys, so I just add some lashes and eyeliner, so you don't have to actually just get to know that because you know how to apply them already. So now let's go for the foundation. So for my foundation today, I'll be using from Flower Cosmetics. So this is 20 M4. And as for the contour, I'll be using from Revolution Foundation Stick F13. And I'll be using 16 Hour Caramel Concealer from Elle Cosmetics. Then it's time to bake your face with some banana loose powder. And to matte my face with, I'll be using a Fit Me powder 230 Natural Buff. And then I'm gonna add some contour powder. And then again, you're gonna bake under your cheek. And for the highlighter, I'll be using from Revolution, and I'll be using from this second one right here. Alright guys, so for the lipstick, I'll be using from Huda Beauty, and I'll be using two shades. One is Interview and one is Payday. So as you can see that this is Payday, and she haven't touched or used it at all, so why not today? I'm gonna give her a whirl. Alright guys, so she looks so smoothly already, so now it's time for the last one, is the Interview. Alright guys, so this is Interview, so she has been used, so why not that we're gonna use her for second time or third times or forever. Alright guys, so my lipstick is done, so now let's brush this off and then let's go set our face with setting spray, and then let's go for the critique. And for the setting spray, I'll be using Jeffree Star X Morphe Setting Mist. Alright guys, so this is my final result. So this is my Lavender Tutorials Glam look. So what do you guys think? Like, girl, I love it. Look at, like, I was so scared about that white paint that I draw on top of my cut crease. I thought it's gonna be like the F-bomb on my eye, so I'm gonna like restart and do it again. But it turns out, guys, you need to actually have a patience for this if you're gonna do something crazy onto your eyes or anything like that. That's more of details. So yeah, alright guys, so this is it. I hope you actually enjoyed this video, and I am appreciate for you all sitting there, standing there, watching my video, doing my makeup and everything like that. If you want to try this look, please give it a go and have fun with it. And if you guys actually enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the comment down below if you have any question or any looks that you want me to try on. And I hope you guys actually looking forward for this weekend, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye dolls!